We are now going to start the relaxation exercise. This exercise will allow you to go deep into the alpha state of your mind. Whatever you will visualize in the alpha state of your mind will surely be actualized in the physical world. Please do not listen to the CD while driving a vehicle or operating any heavy machinery. Sit in the relaxation position. Make sure that your back is well rested and your spine is straight, and also ensure that your hands and legs are not crossed. If you want, you can remove your specs and your shoes also, so that you can be completely in a relaxed state. Take a deep breath, and while exhaling, slowly just close your eyes. Keep all your attention and focus on your breathing. Feel the air going out and coming in. Feel going in and coming out. As you take deep long breath, you allow yourself to relax more and more. Take a deep breath, and while exhaling, take a deep breath, and while exhaling, allow your legs to completely relax. Relax your toes, relax your heels, relax your ankles, relax your calf muscles and your thighs completely. Your entire legs, from the tip of your toes, from the top of your thighs, are now completely relaxed. Every single bone, muscle, tissue and cell of your legs are completely relaxed. Keep all your attention completely focused on your breathing. Feel the air coming in and going out. Take a deep breath, and while exhaling, relax your hands completely. Just let them go loose. Relax your fingers, relax your wrist, relax your palms and your elbows completely. Your entire hands, from the tip of your fingers to the top of your arm, are now completely relaxed. Every single bone, muscle, tissue and cell of your hand are now completely relaxed. Your legs and your hands are now completely relaxed. Keep all your attention, focus on your breathing. Feel the air going in and coming out, going in and coming out. Take another deep breath, and while exhaling, relax your abdominal muscle completely. Your abdominal muscles are now completely relaxed. Keep all your attention, focus on your breathing. Going in and coming out. Going in and coming out. Take another deep breath and while exhaling, relax your chest muscles completely. Relax all the organs of your chest area completely. Your chest muscles are now completely relaxed. Your hands, your legs, your abdomen area and your chest area is now completely relaxed. Keep all your attention focused on your breathing. Feel the air going in and coming out. Going in and coming out. Take another deep breath and while exhaling, relax all the muscles of your lower back, middle back and the upper back completely. Relax all the organs, all the muscles, all the tissues of your back completely. Your entire back, lower back, the middle back and the top of your back is now completely relaxed. Keep all your attention focused on your breathing. Feel the air going in and coming out. Going in and coming out. Take another deep breath and while exhaling, relax all the muscles of your neck completely. Adjust your neck in such a manner that it is in a very comfortable position. It is okay to lower your neck towards the front, to lean your leg behind to get the support of the chair, or even to lean sideways. Just find the most comfortable position for your neck. Adjust it accordingly. Relax all the muscles and tissues of your neck completely. Your neck is now completely relaxed. With each breath, you allow yourself to go deeper and deeper and deeper into relaxation. Keep all your attention focused on your breathing. Feel the air going in and coming out. Going in and coming out. Take a deep breath and while exhaling, relax all the muscles of your face completely. Relax your chin, relax your cheeks, your jaw, your lips, your ears, your temples. Relax your nose, relax your eyes, your forehead, and all the muscles of your scalp completely. All the muscles and the tissues of your face are now completely relaxed. Your face muscles are now completely relaxed. Your entire body, right from the bottom of your feet to the top of your head, is now completely relaxed. Your body is now very light and you feel as if there is no weight at all in your body. Now, visualize yourself that you are standing in the top of a staircase which is having 20 steps. This staircase is well lit and a beautiful staircase. I will now count down from 20 to 1, and as I count down from 20 to 1, in each count you will take one step down in your imagination. And as you take a step downwards, you will go 1,000 times deeper into your subconscious mind. Now starting with 20, 19, 18, going deeper and deeper, 17, 16, 15. With each step, you will be going 1,000 times deeper into your subconscious mind. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, going deeper and deeper into your subconscious mind. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, just relax, going deeper and deeper. 3, 2, and 1. You now find yourself in the bottom of your staircase, deep down in your subconscious mind. This is a very safe place and you are well supported at all times. Now you can see a beautiful corridor in front of you leading to a beautiful door. You now start walking on the corridor and move towards the door. You have now reached the door and now raise your hand to turn the handle and open the door. As you turn the handle, the door slowly opens and you slowly walk out of the door. And as you walk out of the door, you find yourself in one of the most beautiful places on planet Earth. The place that you truly love. It could be a beautiful beach with a clear blue sky, birds chirping in the sky, the waves coming towards you on the beach. Or it could be a beautiful garden with colorful flowers, with beautiful fragrance, with butterflies hopping from one flower to another. Or it could be a forest, trees all around. The trees are bearing colorful flowers and the fruits of all kinds. A beautiful place. And as you find yourself in this beautiful place, you feel more and more relaxed. Your mind starts relaxing further. The more you relax, the deeper you go into your subconscious mind. Now, your mind and your body are completely relaxed. Every bone, every muscle, every tissue, every cell, every molecule, and every single atom of your body is now completely relaxed. You are now in the alpha state of your mind. The alpha state of mind is a deep and relaxed state of mind where you are completely connected to your subconscious mind. Whatever you visualize and affirm in this state of mind comes to physical reality in your life. I will now remain silent for the next 5 minutes, during which you can visualize your most important goal of life. While visualizing, see as if you have already achieved your goal. Feel the feelings, hear the sounds, feel the emotions. And as the vibration energy increases, the goal or something better than your stated goal will definitely manifest in the shortest possible time, and you will achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. You may now visualize your next important goal. Day by day, you are getting better, better, and better. Abundant health, wealth, and happiness is coming to you easily and effortlessly. Money comes to you in increasing quantities from multiple sources on a continuous basis. You feel very safe becoming rich and having abundant wealth and prosperity. You deserve abundance in all areas of your life. Your relationships are getting better and better. You enjoy beautiful relationship with your friends and your family. Relationship of love, happiness, trust, and complete joy. Your health is getting better and better. Your subconscious mind is the creator of your body. and releases healing energy right now to make your body in the perfect shape. Your body and your looks are now beautiful in the best possible way. Your life is filled with abundance. Every cell in your body vibrates with energy and health. You are worthy of love. You easily manifest your dreams. You are calm and relaxed in every situation. You can really achieve anything that you desire. Your potential is limitless. You achieve all your goals effortlessly. You radiate love and happiness. You are a powerful being, capable of achieving whatever you wish to achieve in your life. You now find yourself walking towards the door from which you have come to this beautiful location. You open the door and you can see that same beautiful corridor, and at the end of the corridor you can see the same staircase having 20 steps from where now you will go upwards. Now move and walk towards the corridor and reach the staircase. You are now standing very near to the staircase going upwards. I will now count from 1 to 20, and as I count from 1 to 20, each count you will take one step upwards. With each step, you slowly start coming out of the deeper level of your subconscious mind. And at the count of 20, you will open your eyes, feeling wide awake, fresh. Each and every cell of your body completely recharged, every organ, every tissue and every cell become completely energized, as if you have just completed a 4 hour of deep sleep. But before coming out of the alpha state, please know that in future, whenever you wish to go in the alpha state, you will be able to do so 1,000 times faster, and you will be able to go 1,000 times deeper in your subconscious mind. Now starting with 1, start moving upwards. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly and slowly you are coming out of your subconscious mind. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, coming out slowly, and at the count of 20, you will open your eyes and feel absolutely wide awake and feeling fresh. Each and every cell of your body will be completely recharged when you will come out of your subconscious mind. Every cell of your body will be completely energized. 13, 14, 15, 16, coming out slowly, 17, 18, 19. Rub your hands and put them on your eyes. And 20. slowly take your hands off your eyes, and you may now slowly open your eyes. Take your time. As you open your eyes, you are now feeling fresh and wide awake. And each and every cell of your body is completely recharged. Every organ, every tissue and every cell of your body is completely energized, as if you have just completed 4 hours of deep sleep. Stretch yourself, completely stretch. Just stretch yourself, feeling fresh and much better than before. I hope your journey into the inner world was very peaceful, and it has rejuvenated you to face the new life. I wish you all the very best to live the life that you truly deserve and that you truly want to live. This is your friend and coach, Parth Banerjee. Hope you enjoyed the journey.